What if the only thing that's stopping you in owning a home is your belief that you are not ready yet? Here are three signs na baka ready ka na pala.
Sign number 1, may extra ka na sa buwan ng budget. Kahit 5,000 to 6,000 lang per month, pwede ka nang magsimula. Owning a home doesn't require millions. It's just a matter of decision. Sign number 2, you're craving stability. Pagod ka na magpalipat-lipat kada taon? Gusto mo na ng space para sa sarili mo o pamilya mo? That's a strong sign. Sign number 3, napapatanong ka na sayang naman ang renta ko. That thought alone, that's the start of a home ownership mindset. Your rent could be your equity.
If you felt one of these signs, follow this page. I help first-time buyers here in Palawan with just 10,000 reservation. Comment ready if this spoke to you. And let's talk about your first step in owning a home.